This is the wise owl coming at you from the city where I live. You can use fractions. When I was a young man, I used to study chemical symbols. I used to study all kind of cryptic languages. When you're a young person, especially those teenagers, you see, in the old days. I was a teenager many years ago. I was from those days where people want to hide what they're doing, like, cryptic writing, make up your own language. Everybody does that. Whether you're religious, whether you belong to an occult group, or whether you're a scientist or a teacher, you make up your own little language and your own little symbols to understand things. Almost like a secretary with a shorthand from the old days. Remember that? It's a shorthand and stuff like that. Something like that only some people can understand. And I did the same thing as a young man. I wrote cryptic languages and everything. Now, you can use fractions to study chemical symbols and atomic numbers by fractions. For example, let's write the word fraction. Capital Fractions. Fraction. Okay? We got the FR, capital FR, and that's for fermium. Capital Fermium. Then we got AC, but here we put capital A and a small c. And that's for actinium, capital Actinium. Then we got the TI, we got the TI here. Of course, but here we put capital T and a small I for titanium. Titanium. Capital Titanium for titanium. Then we got the O for oxygen, of course, capital OXYGEN. Then we got nitrogen and sulfur. Okay? N for nitrogen, capital NITROUGN, and sulfur, S for sulfur, capital S. So it's capital SULFUR, and we got the word, the word fraction right here. You see that? You got to put the capital letter. This got to be a capital. This is a capital. This got to be a capital letter. 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 The I stays small case, and the C is a small case C. And the atomic number is 100, 89, 22, 8, 7, 16. Let me see if and that's what it is. Maybe I can simplify it any more than I can. No? That's how it is. You got it? And you write down fractions. Atomic number 100. Atomic number of actinium is 89. Titanium 22. Oxygen 8. Nitrogen 7. And S. Sulfur is 16 atomic number. And you got fraction. If you want to write cryptic, then you have 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4 is written with an H for hydrogen, which is 1 hydrogen, and beryllium, which is 4, atomic number of 4, and you got the fraction of 1/4. See, H is for hydrogen, BE, a capital B and a small e for beryllium, capital BERYLLIUM. Then you have 1/2. Hydrogen, and then you got helium at the bottom. 1 for hydrogen and 2 for helium, and you got capital H for hydrogen and capital H and small e for helium, and that's for half. And then you got RE, capital R and the E for Rhenium. Rhenium is capital RHENIUM for Rhenium, and that's a 75. And you got Fe. Capital F and a small capital F and a small m, Fe. Capital F and a small m, and that's for fermium. Okay, that's 100. Right? Okay. Now why do I put down 3, 4, 400? Because you have 3, 4 is like saying 75 over 100. Okay. Now I want to simplify this. Let me turn the page to simplify what I'm saying here. For 3/4. I want to simplify here, but it goes right here. See? Here how I simplify it. 75 over 100, or 3/4. 304. Okay, how you write that? You write Rhenium for 75 atomic number and 100 for Fermium. Come to F and the M, and then you get Helium. I mean Lithium, which is 3, and Be Beryllium, which is 4, which is 3/4, right? 3/4. So 75 over 100 or 75 over 100 is ReFm. Or you can you can change that to lithium and beryllium, which is 3/4. It's hard to understand that, but here it is right here. Okay, 3/4. So right here, 3/4, 304. This is what this is. This here is 304. This here is 75 over 100, which equals also lithium and beryllium. See how it works? Then you got capital H on the top, and then you got the Be at the bottom. That's 1, and that's 4th for 1/4. You see what I'm saying to you? Beryllium is spelled Berylllium. See? And then you got H, and you got He in the bottom for half, like we did before. Now, how about capital H, dot, or decimal, capital B, and you have the percentage sign. Okay? You know that's 1, and you know this is 5. So we have 1.5. I should write it down here, right here. So it's 1.5%. One for hydrogen, decimal, and B for 5 for boron. Okay, boron is spelled Boron. Hydrogen, capital Hydrogen. Okay, now we got off. So we got H.B% off. Off is 8 for oxygen, capital F for fluorine, which is 9, capital F for fluorine, which is 9. So fluorine, capital Fluorine. Okay, so we got off 899. So how do we do this? So we got 75%, which is capital Re for Rhenium, percentage, and off. So how do we write that? We write that Re percentage, and then we put the 899. See off, capital Re percentage, and then we got off. But this time you're going to cover the OFF like this, and you're going to have capital Re percentage 899, and you have written down here 75% off. Okay, here it is again, 75% off. Okay, if you want to read a cryptic about it, you got it. Okay. Do you want me to write this down in the description box below, or do you have an understanding what's going on here? It's pretty long, but I can probably simplify a little some of it. All right. This is Wise Out 2 coming at you from the sea where I live. Over and out. Go to the description box below. Okay, I'm going to try to simplify a little bit more. Bye bye.